Good morning children, this is class 5th EVS book. Let's do explanation of lesson 7, water and its sources. Let us know the importance of water. Water is one of the most important substances for life on earth to function. It is equally important for humans as well as animals. Water does not merely help us to survive, but it is significant for our day-to-day functioning. Water is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless substance essential for the survival of living beings. Water is the essential element for all human beings, animals, and plants. Water comprises of more than 71% of Earth's surface. Water is derived from various sources like river, lakes, ocean and streams. Water appears to be an ordinary substance, but its importance in our lives is extraordinary. It supports life through its various uses. The most common water uses include drinking and household needs, recreation, industry and commerce, agriculture, thermoelectricity energy. Sources of water. Rainwater fills in the river, lakes and ponds. A little bit of rainwater also seeps into the ground, which is why we also get some amount of groundwater in the cities. We use hand pumps and water motor to pull out the groundwater and store it in the reservoirs for daily use. There are two main sources of water, surface water and groundwater. Surface water is found in lakes, rivers and reservoirs. Groundwater lies under the surface of the land where it travels through and fills opening in the rocks. The rocks that store and transmit groundwater are called aquifers. Water in our homes. Surface water and groundwater are both important sources for community water supply needs. Groundwater is a common source for single homes and small towns, and river and lakes are usual source for large cities. The water is obtained from a nearby water body and sent to a water treatment plant. Once treated and purified, the water is distributed throughout the town or city by pipes. Now, this is how we get water. Few examples are given and how water in our homes. Water is coming in our homes. Some people stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. A Jal Board water tanker comes to colony twice a day. People at time have fights over water. Some people directly put a pump in the Jal Board pipeline. Some get water for half an hour. They fill their tanks to use all day. Sometimes water is very dirty. Some put a motor to pump up the water from the borewell, but because of no electricity, what they do? Some get water on their taps all day long. Few people have hand pumps nearby, but because of salty water, they have to buy water for drinking. Some get water from the canal itself. Some fill water from the well, but the nearby well is dried up a year ago. They have to walk to reach the other well, but because of their caste, they are not allowed to take water from some of the wells.